Good morning, boys and girls. It is Friday, March 27th, and we are about to make our first week of virtual teaching. Wanted to work today maybe on beginning sounds and words that begin with the same sound. So I came up with 3 beginning sounds. Got to figure that part out. Ba. Let's start with ba. Ba. Get that pen opened up. Okay. Ba. Ball. Ba. All. When I think of ball, I think of when my son used to play baseball. So let's do baseball. B. Ace. Ball. There's that compound word. Look at that. And without a ball, with a ball, I need a bat. 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 Let's come up with one more. Whoop. How about sometime this weekend you get out and ride your bike? Bike. Ike. All of these begin with that beginning sound, b. Ball, baseball, bat, bike. Okay, so now we're going to do M. My goodness, we got to love our mom right now because mom is helping a lot. Mom. I bet you're missing your nap mat. Mat. At. Although you get to sleep in a comfortable bed. Mom, mat. Our dad is a man. Please appreciate that man in your house. And then how about make? Ache. You could make something special, maybe bake with your mom this weekend. That would be fun to do, bake something special. Let's go to I know you guys really like the word fish. We like to play and look at the colorful ish. Okay. What about, it's getting really warm, so now we need the fan to cool us. And I know sitting around this house, it's making me eat a lot of food. I don't want to get fat. I know. That's funny, isn't it? Hey, look at that. Funny. Let's add funny to that. Alrighty. So there we go. We did 3 sets of words with beginning sounds. B. How about you try doing 3 sets at home using D. And S. I can't wait to hear some of the things that you make up. Have a good day. See you later. Miss you.